protection. You don't feel safe or there's something. Take 1 minute, and if you want you can close your eyes. If you feel more safe, keep them open. And focus on your heart. You can also think of a candle and you switch on the light. You let it burn. Your candle is shining, or your heart is shining. Inhale, charge your light up. With every inhale you take, you focus more on your heart and on your light. Let it shine brighter and brighter. Inhale deeper, let it shine brighter and brighter. Think of an egg around you. Maybe it's a pyramid, or it has another object. And this is your space of safetyness, so charge it up with light. Imagine your protection shield. Really charge it up. Inhale. Charge your heart. See the light. Smile. Charge it more. I am safe. I am protected. I am light. Love is your protection. When you're ready, you can open your eyes.